Okay, so good day, ma'am. We are here to present about the case study number 2 about the IKEA home furnishing. So next slide, please. So by the way, I am Mariangeline December and I am going to explain the evaluation of this case study. So the first one is the store location and accessibility. IKEA stores are often located outside cities in large details park with plenty of parking. This location strategy attracts customers who don't mind driving and spending a full day shopping. So, since IKEA store usually found outside the city, this is convenient for people who are okay with driving and spending whole day shopping. But it might not be ideal for those without cars or who prefer closer locations. So, number 2 is the store layout and customer experience. IKEA's layout with rooms set up like real homes encourages customers to spend more time in the store and buy more items. However, the large layout can be overwhelmed. Since the store layout looks like a real home, this setup inspires customers. Somehow it feels confusing for some visitors. Next slide, please. So the third evaluation is the product availability and restocking. IKEA's distribution center and direct deliveries keep store well stocked, but some items can take time to arrive due to high demand. So even if the IKEA has a distribution center and direct deliveries, naadjud time na ay dugay maabot na item because it is koan high demand. So I am going to pass the floor to Mr. John Reid to continue the evaluation.
Diyan, Red. Naka-off ka, Mike.
Nakamute ka.
Naka-off ka, og Mike. Naka-mute ka.
Good day.
Tara.
Sige sa. Digital tools and online shopping support. IKEA's website and app help customers plan their visits by offering store maps, product lists, and personalized shopping experience. These tools can reduce purchase hesitation and enhance confidence in product choice, leading to higher customer satisfaction and fewer returns. By enhancing convenience, personalized, and informed decision making, the tools and significant value for customers and make IKEA more accessible and leading brand. Next. Sustainability and environmental impact. IKEA store require a lot of space and energy, and its product come in flat packs that are recyclable but require assembly. I will pass the report for Miss
Therese.
Charis.
So these are the proposed solution. Consider opening small stores in city centers to attract urban customers who might find it inconvenient to travel far. For example, instead of having just one large store in the outskirts of the city, IKEA could open small showrooms in business towns areas. So kani nga showroom, for example, mag-open sila ani nga showroom kanang include ani kay mga chairs, mga popular items, or small furniture. And if ever mangani nga kanang nga sila mo pick up ang customers of larger items, naasay kanang home delivery services, reducing the needs for the customers to travel far. This would make IKEA more accessible to people who want to shop quickly without leaving the city center. Number two, offer clear maps, shortcuts, and signs to help customers find specific areas faster. Consider a mobile app that features the guides from them through the store. For example, in an IKEA store, there could be maps at the entrance and signs above the aisles. Kanang nagpropose mi og kanang mobile app kay for example sa app kanang mag-search sila sa kanang item nga sofa. So if kanang ilang ikuan sa ilang mobile phone ilang tong i-search mo gawas dito automatic ang map nga mag-lead nila kung asa dapit sa store ang sofa. This could offer a feature where kanang step by step bitaw siya nga kanang kuan step by step nga process wherein makasave time of reducing the frustrations of the customers. Labaw na kung ang IKEA kay large gyud siya nga store. Number 3, improve inventory tracking so that popular items are stocked faster and inform customers about stock availability on the app. For example, if ikaw manager ka, di ba, kanang makahibaw sa mga popular items nga ma-out of stock na dayon. So if kanang mogamit kag tracking devices or kanang na siya app nga makahibaw ang manager nga for example ang kaning nga specific chair is out of stock na. Through ani nga proposed solution namo through the app makahibaw ang manager nga out of stock na sila dayon sa matagan sa solution and ang mga customer sad makahibaw sila kaning through kaning app nga kaning that time ang kanang item is out of stock. This would save the customers time and improve their shopping experience by letting them know exactly when and where they can get the items they want. Next is they expand digital features like allowing customers to see how furniture fits in their own rooms through augmented reality. For example, kanang the AR feature ang app kanang kung nasa gusto if kanang popular man jud ang sofa unya this app would let them see how the items fit in their space. Mag-scan sila ani nga item nya ilang kitaon kung mubagay ba ni sa ilahang place. This would make it easier for the customers to decide if a piece of furniture works well in their room without having to guess kalisod ba ng magkani akong gusto niya if di na kaigo sa imong place kato nga app makatabang siya sa kanang customers makahibaw sila kung unsay ganahan or kanang fit sa ilahang space. Lastly is enhance sustainability efforts by reducing more energy efficient systems and adding recycling stations for customers. For example, IKEA could use kanang mga LED nga light through its stores and ang pinaka kuan gid nga sustainability di ba kay mga solar panels on the roof sa roof ibutang nila para ma-reduce ang carbon footprint kay ang IKEA kay dako man kay siya nga store. In addition, the store could set up recycling stations where customers can drop off old furniture or packaging mga wala nila gigamit. Pwede sad ang store magbutang nga dogo sa ka-place nga if ang customer ganahan ra siya mo butang sa mga old furniture nga wala nila gigamit. Kanang maka-encourage ba pod ni sa mga customers. Also, kaning efforts manggod kay maka-benefit pod sa environment o sa mga customers gihapon. Next, I will now pass the floor to Mr. Sales.
So, recommendations. First one is by adding urban stores with selected items or pickup points. IKEA can reach more people who don't have cars or prefer shopping nearby. So, pickup points nag-provide ni siya og kanang mas greater convenience sa mga consumers nga maka-allow sa customers sa pag-order items online and ma-collect nila sa designated locations within their neighborhoods ra. Then also kani siya nga recommendation is maka-eliminate siya sa ang murag necessity or need gani sa long drive sa mga consumers and parking hassles, making IKEA nga accessible siya sa much wider range of customers nga kanang possible nga wala sila kaugalingon mode of transportations or mas prefer nila mo avoid sa inconvenience sa pag-drive sa usa ka dako nga retail stores such as IKEA. So the next one we have is improving navigation will make shopping easier, especially for first-time visitors or those in a hurry, creating a more enjoyable experience. So ang IKEA is namaya sila yung navigation nga whereas ang ilahang path is murag usa ra gani, like kailangan pa sila moagi tanan para lang maabot ang usa ka designated nga furniture or item nga ilang gusto paliton. So by improving their navigation, maka-reduce nis og confusion o frustration sa mga customers, especially sa mga customers nga nagdali walay time gani nga isuroy pa, like kanang nangita ra gyud sila convenience ba niya. If na sila itarong nga navigation, like for example na ay uban retail store nga dagko kay signages per aisle niya nga nagatubang sa entrance, so once musud ang customer, like if mangita sila ana ang product, mato dayon sila makahibaw kung asa sila padong, like murag time consuming sad ba, tas dili ra sad sa mga consumer nga nagdali kundi hasta sad sa mga elderly nga maglisod na og like baktas na pero gusto gyapon mo shop. Kaya so the next one is the third one is ensuring popular items are always available and updating customers on stock levels will reduce frustration and improve satisfaction. So ang IKEA is known man gina siyang company or retail store nga if ever na ay popular items or trendy products dapat naabya sila, like especially sa furniture. Tas kung ang customers mo visit sa IKEA nga makakita nga dili kayo kanang constant ang stock sa IKEA is maka-receive ang IKEA o kanang customer dissatisfaction or customer nga kanang tawag ani disappointment, and by that tungod ana naay potential lost sales nga ma-receive ang IKEA. So if mag-maintain og ample inventory levels ang IKEA, makaguarantee sila nga ang ilahang company is maka-receive og positive shopping experience sa customers. Tas dili ra pud ni siya makakuan sa reliability and product availability sa IKEA, but also ang ilahang kaugalingon reputation kay known man gid sila nga dapat naa sila yung ana. So number 4, next slide please. So by investing in AR and other digital tools, IKEA can help customer visualize purchases better, encouraging more online and in-store shopping. So as my co-reporter said earlier about sa AR is potential solution and also recommended yun ang AR o virtual reality sa usa ka retail store para sa IKEA kay kuan man like tawag ani dili man tanan kanang customers is kanang convenient nila nga modong pa sa usa ka retail store para lang mo buy ana nga furniture tas inig-abot day sa ilahang balay kay dili day mabagay. So by the help of augmented reality or virtual reality is makagive og hindsight gani or idea ang customers kung whether ang ilahang furniture nga ilahang i-buy is ma-fit gani sa ilahang balay without disappointments. So tungod ani ang IKEA maka-bridge siya sa gap between online and physical shopping, maka-provide siya sa customers og seamless gani and immersive nga experience nga para gani hugingon ganina nga ma-visualize nila ang dream home nga with great clarity and confidence. So last one we have is promoting recycling and using sustainable materials. will align IKEA with eco-friendly values, which can attract more customers who care about the environment. So naturally, naamang gyud tay mga customers nga kuan nga kanang environmental conscious gani. So sa pag active encourage sa kani nga recommendation, if mag-active encourage ka sa customers to recycle sa ilang furniture para sa giingon ni Charis ganina, maka-demonstrate ng IKEA og genuine commitment sa pag-reduce sa waste o pag-promote sa economy. So kani nga commitment maka-resonate ni siya sa mga environmental conscious nga consumers nga nagsik og mga brands nga nag-share sad og values and prioritize sa sustainability pareha nila. So tungod ani ang IKEA maka-strengthen sila sa ilahang brand image, maka-attract sila og mga diverse customer base o maka-contribute sad sila sa mga into a more sustainable future din. That's all. Thank you.
Thank you.